Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the development and construction industry, ensuring the safety and stability of infrastructure projects. One such provider of geotechnical services is Ahamedpur Chauroli. Located in the heart of Chauroliscon, Ahamedpur Chauroli is a well-established company that specializes in offering a wide range of geotechnical services to clients in the region. With their expertise and experience, they have become a trusted name in the industry. Ahamedpur Chauroli offers a comprehensive range of geotechnical services, catering to the diverse needs of clients. Their team of skilled professionals is equipped with the latest tools and techniques to provide accurate and reliable solutions. From site investigations to foundation design, they offer a complete package of services that ensure the successful completion of any construction project. With their in-depth knowledge of the local geology and soil conditions, they are able to provide customized solutions that meet the specific requirements of each project. One of the key services provided by Ahamedpur Chauroli is soil testing. Soil testing is an essential part of any construction project as it helps determine the properties and characteristics of the soil. By analyzing the soil samples, Ahamedpur Chauroli can assess its strength, density, permeability, and other important factors. This information is crucial for designing the foundations of structures to ensure their stability and safety. With their state-of-the-art soil testing laboratory, Ahamedpur Chauroli can deliver accurate and timely results to their clients. With their expertise and commitment to quality, they have established themselves as a trusted partner for construction projects in the region. Whether it's soil testing, slope stability analysis, or any other geotechnical service, clients can rely on Ahamedpur Chauroli to deliver accurate results and expert guidance. Geotechnical services are essential to the development and building sectors of the economy, as they guarantee the security and stability of infrastructure projects. Ahamedpur Chauroli is a company that offers geotechnical services. Ahamedpur Chauroli, a reputable business with a central location in Chauroliscon, focuses on providing a wide range of geotechnical services to customers in the area. They have earned a reputation for reliability in the field because to their knowledge and experience. A wide variety of geotechnical services are provided by Ahamedpur Chauroli to meet the different needs of customers. With the newest equipment and methods, their team of knowledgeable experts can offer precise and dependable solutions. They provide a full range of services to guarantee the success of any building project, from site surveys to foundation design. They can offer unique solutions that are tailored to each project's requirements, because they have a thorough understanding of the regional geology and soil conditions. Soil testing is one of Ahamedpur Chauroli's main services. Any construction project must include soil testing in order to learn more about the features and attributes of the soil. Ahamedpur Chauroli can evaluate the soil sample's strength, density, permeability, and other crucial elements. To maintain the stability and safety of structures, it is essential to use this knowledge while designing the foundations. Ahamedpur Chauroli can provide their clients with precise